In this video, we'll tell you about the Ultima Minter Profitability Calculator. It's designed to help you quickly understand which license you need to get a farm of a certain size and calculate its potential income based on the current PLCU rate. You can quickly calculate the minting speed that suits your budget, taking into account the current PLCU rate. The calculator is available on the Platin World website in the Promo Materials section. The first thing we see on the calculator page is the budget and the PLCU rate. The latter is updated in real time based on information from the exchanges. If you enter the amount of funds available to you in the budget field, for example 300 euros, the calculator will select the optimal license and calculate how much you need to spend on the coins you will freeze. At the same time, it's important to indicate the current value of the max load index, which is 10,000 at the time of this recording. In our example, with a budget of 300 euros, the calculator selected a license for 110 euros, and you will need 190.03 euros to freeze 0.0081 PLCU. You can also start your calculation with a type of license instead of your budget. In this case, you need to select a license and the calculator will determine the maximum amount that can be loaded into your farm, which is the max load. In this example, we've selected the Ultima Minter for 110 euros and the current max load index is 10,000 euros. The available max load in this case is 0.01 PLCU. This means that the maximum amount of coins available for freezing and minting is 0.01 PLCU. Below, you can see the slider that determines the load of the Ultima farm. It shows how many coins are frozen. When you move it, the window below shows the number of coins for freezing. Here you can see how much you can potentially earn at this level of freezing. By default, the farm is set to 100% at this exchange rate, and by choosing the final rate, you can predict the potential income in euros. For the calculation, you must also select the month of freezing. In this example, we're calculating minting for June 2022. Please pay special attention to the month of freezing. This is important. Each month, the minting factor decreases. And if we indicate a different month, we can see that the estimated minting indicator will decrease. Therefore, if you want to get the most out of Ultima Farm minting, freeze your coins as soon as possible. Now let's choose another license, for example 1,100 euros, and we can see that your potential income will increase. You can calculate the potential income for each license, or choose the size of the license that you need to select to get the monthly income you need. We wish you success in your work and rapid growth.